On December 12, 2025, officers responded to Target for a call of a woman caught stealing on 22 different occasions.
Police, stop! Don't you run! She's running! Put your hands behind your back! Behind your back! Somebody cuff her.
What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I do?
Stop resisting.
Right here is where the emotional temperature spikes. And legally, this moment matters. You hear repeated commands, claims of resistance, and then confirmation that a taser was deployed. In most jurisdictions, tasers are considered a use of force option, meaning officers must justify that the suspect posed a threat or was actively fleeing. But notice her repeated question, "What did I do?" That confusion isn't just emotional. It becomes legally relevant later when intent, awareness, and compliance are evaluated. So pause and think, based on what you're seeing so far, does this level of force feel justified?
I'm not even resisting.
Bullshit.
Those doors don't open fast enough.
Wall is tweaking. I just went through the whole ride. Check my receipt. Ain't nothing in my purse, nothing.
It's
All y'all to do that.
Goodbye.
Can I get my hat?
No. Hang on. My fucking hurts.
Throw the vape in here. Throw the vape in here. Grab the barbs.
You have a glove on you?
Did y'all get my receipt?
Make sure
This here?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. I went to the line.
Yeah, he'll grab them.
Okay, thank you.
Did you get shocked?
Yes, I did.
All right.
So what did y'all send me put in my purse or something? What is the problem?
This is the first major bombshell of the case, 22 separate retail theft cases. That's not one bad day. That's a pattern allegation, and legally, that's huge. Multiple incidents can elevate charges, affect bail decisions, and influence sentencing. But here's the critical issue. The suspect immediately denies it and demands to see the evidence. At this stage, officers are relying on store surveillance and internal loss prevention records, not a courtroom ruling. So the real question becomes, are those records airtight, or are they about to unravel?
Well, there's going to be 22 cases of retail theft.
Not me?
Well, that's not what the video shows.
What video? That's not me.
Everywhere.
You said 22 cases. Of what?
Retail theft.
Who retail theft? 22 cases of what?
Retail theft. Stealing.
Why is
22
you-
cases of stealing.
Why is it saying cases? Cases of what?
22 different incidents.
No, not me.
Well,
Yeah, he said interesting. Y'all got the wrong person. You not even know who you talking to. No, you don't.
Okay.
Come on, 22 cases. Y'all be getting the wrong people thinking y'all got somebody. Y'all come on, 22 cases. That's not me. Y'all talking about
why did
22
you
cases.
run?
Huh?
Why'd you run?
Y'all scared me. Why y'all all came out like 10 deep?
That's all stolen?
No, that's
All right.
not all stolen. Tweety scanned that. She scanned it.
No, she did not.
I went through the line. What you mean she ain't scanned it?
Alright, real quick, I'm starting mine. Just go, please. One Bodycam.
No, look at my
Why
leg.
did you get taken?
I don't know, because it was 10 of them chasing me. I'm like, what?
Four. But why did you run?
Because they were 10 people. I'm like, what's going
Did they
on?
stop?
No, I didn't know who they were talking to.
Yo, police, stop.
My bad.
Okay. So what was the lesson say? You don't run? You say you stop? Alright, you okay?
Yeah, I just got it. These like they got it. What's on my 22 cases? Y'all done lost it. Y'all got the wrong person. So she ain't scanning all that stuff in there. I went through the line. If I was going to take, I wouldn't be stealing through the team.
That's all. So you just, she ran.
Yep, police stop. Kept running. Tase.
Did you feel the tase?
She told me she felt something.
Somehow they all fell out when you hit the ground.
Yeah, like how everybody else falls.
Still locked up, though.
Huh? Why you gotta be an ass? I'm not being an ass.
I'm not. I'm
You're
saying
running
your
pretty fast, I'll give you that.
your leg locked up, didn't it? Did your leg lock up? Your muscles lock up? Yeah, that's what it does.
Back down for me.
Yeah.
Where is the 22 cases at?
This is where things get messy and fascinating. We hear about Target's extensive camera system, references to prior incidents, and confusion over how these cases were linked to her. Big retailers don't play when it comes to loss prevention. They often build cases over time before making an arrest. But that system only works if identification is flawless. One mistake, wrong face, wrong name, wrong assumption, and suddenly you're looking at a potential wrongful arrest scenario. So ask yourself, are the cameras protecting the truth or hiding a critical error?
You want to know what that is? Why are you looking at my medicine?
Because there's no label on this at all.
That's because I had it for a long time.
You steal this?
No. Sorry.
What car did you come in?
Huh?
What car did you come in?
My cousin bought me.
Your cousin's out in the car?
No, she's not happy.
Where's your cousin
Yeah, but
at?
not out there now.
No,
We
she
guarantee
is.
that one. Yeah.
So where were you going with your cart when you left the store?
I was waiting on her.
You was
I
going.
wasn't stealing. That's what I'm saying. She ain't scared all that stuff in that car. I gave her my whole cart. That's what I'm saying. Look at the cameras. I went through the line.
I gotcha.
She talking about 22 cases. 22 cases of what?
Hey, just heads up, they have a lot of cameras at this place.
Oh, that's what they mean, like 22 cameras.
No, they got like probably about 1,000 cameras, but they have 22 cases of you stealing between here and East Peoria.
16 more alive out there before it gets home.
Was it my
Girl,
sister?
these
Is it my
cameras
sister?
are good. Are you twins?
And here comes the twist nobody saw coming. A twin sister. From a legal standpoint, this changes everything. Identical or even similar-looking siblings can seriously complicate identification, especially if prior incidents relied on visual recognition alone. Surveillance footage without biometric confirmation can be misleading. The suspect insists repeatedly that police are confusing her with her sister, and now officers are forced to slow down and verify. This is the moment where a case can either collapse or lock in. So let's hear from you. If you were the officer here, what would you do next?
I do have a twin. Shayla, I'm just going to say that. I do have a twin.
What's your name?
Shayla,
What's your date of birth?
12.
You don't even know your date of birth.
No, you said my date of birth?
No, I said.
Her date of birth is
Well,
12.
twins is the same day.
What?
Twins are the same day.
You said my date of birth?
No.
Were
So
you and
you're
your
a
sister
twin?
born on the same day?
Yeah, 11.
That's both of your
She was
birthdays.
born in
Yes.
December. You said she
I thought you said what's today's date?
What's today's date? Why would I ask that?
Today's-
Y'all better make sure it's me. Y'all better make sure it's me. Because it's going to be a serious thing. When we both got the red and what?
Chill down.
Can I call somebody real quick for my kids?
Where's your kids at?
Yeah, at the house.
Is that why you're taking this shit?
I wasn't taking it. She didn't scare that. She had my whole cart. Look at the cameras.
Just her the whole time. Was it just her the whole time or something else?
It's just me all the time. What? It's just me all the time. So it ain't my sister. You know my sister.
You do know they have a camera.
Do he not know? So he don't know. Bro, can I call my,
These guys are actually really good at what they do, so I kind of gotta believe them.
okay, can I call my,
Where's your phone?
right there, please?
That's up to them. I didn't arrest you. I'm just here to
Sir,
make
can
sure
I
you're
call my,
okay.
kids, please?
Call your kids?
Yes, sir.
What do you gotta tell them?
I got a tip.
Are you going to jail?
Yeah.
All right. Which one's yours? Both of them?
Yeah.
Which one you want?
The white on there.
Is this your properly identification or what?
How do you spell your name?
For about a year and a half.
Miss.
Who is it?
Pictures match.
Yeah, no pictures. So let me show you my sister.
The other day, it's in it.
How do you spell your name?
K-A-S-H.
K-A-S-8. Hold on.
K-A-S-H-E-E-K-A.
E-E-K-A.
Yes, sir.
Tattoo on her leg, don't you?
Yeah, I got a tattoo on my leg.
Let me see that tattoo on her leg.
I have a tattoo on my leg, but my sister, what do you mean?
On
What do
quad.
you see a tattoo at?
What is
Okay, so what do you mean you got to know? You just saying stuff, because I'm not the same person who be stealing.
Sit up.
Is you
People
cool?
don't have the skin.
Kashika, what's your last name?
L-O-N-G.
What's your middle name?
Tyjosia Shanae.
What?
Tyjosia Shanae.
Do you have two middle names?
Yes.
Is Shanae with a C or an S?
Is that French?
Is the Shanae with a C or an S?
Yes.
All right.
Miss Long, did you drive out here today?
My cousin told me.
What's your birthday again? 11/11.
Or we've got an ID.
Oh yeah. Oh okay.
What about it?
That's your sister.
Yeah.
That's
Let me see.
your ID? That's your
Yeah.
sister's ID?
Yeah.
That's your sister's
That's
ID?
that's my ID.
That's your sister's ID?
What are you talking about? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm just testing it.
That's my ID.
All right. Ready to turn a fingerprint in.
On my kids.
This is the procedural backbone of the entire case. Fingerprints, identification, dates of birth, tattoos. When a suspect challenges identity, law enforcement must prove who they have in custody, not assume it. Any mistake here can invalidate charges later in court. Notice the hesitation, the double-checking, the uncertainty. That's not drama, that's due process kicking in under pressure. And it raises a serious question. If officers aren't fully confident now, how confident were they during those alleged 22 prior incidents?
So y'all don't think that's me? Y'all don't even know if that's me on my ID, but y'all said I got 22
Hey,
cases.
it's changed so much since that photo was taken. When was that photo taken? When was that photo taken?
2023.
So I look different?
Yeah, you do.
Y'all crazy. Y'all don't even know who. Terrence, I'm finna go to jail. They told me they got 22 cases on me at this Target, and I told them like he could have been Shayla, but they asked all myself, it ain't no Shayla, he ain't got no twin. Like, bro, y'all don't even know what y'all talking about.
Alright, let's walk around.
Alright, she's one on homicide too.
No, no.
She does, buddy.
Can I get a picture first?
They got
Hey, let her get her picture.
They said I got 22 cases.
Hard over you.
I get a picture
Yep.
first or something?
No, retail, nuh-uh.
Yeah, I gotta get
No, baby, you don't even know what the damn picture look like. You talking about
it
AAC?
was a live picture. I can change it.
At the end of the day, this case highlights how quickly a retail theft investigation can escalate into a life-altering legal battle. A single arrest tied to 22 alleged incidents, disputed identification, the use of force, and unanswered questions about evidence all collide here. Whether this woman was truly responsible or misidentified due to a similar-looking sibling will ultimately depend on verified proof, not assumptions. Cases like this remind us why accuracy, restraint, and proper procedure are essential in the justice system. Backhand index pointing right if you found this case as shocking as we did. Make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.